The guys worked all through the night getting the power steering rack in and lots of other small things. We had a reservoir that didn't really work. I already was afraid of that, so I had a different reservoir on order, which required a little bit more custom work. Ends up that we're still using that, so we need to do all the custom work for that. The power steering pump also failed. We're not sure why. It could have been potentially just because they do or because of the reservoir, nobody knows. Anyways, we need to swap in a new power steering pump, but with the Supercharged system it needs to run a different pulley, which the tool that we had couldn't do back at the Airbnb. So we're heading to Differentials right now to get that done. We first had to remove the original pulley that came with the pump, and then we had to remove this black adapter and put it on the new pump so we could run that silver pulley that goes with the supercharger system. The guys in the meantime were fixing some small things on the car regarding the reservoir and some other things we wanted to check out. Duarte offered us a lift, but we choose to work under our tent just as we would on the competition. There you can see Nate taking off that black adapter, and we're putting everything back on the car. So we got everything done. Almost time for tech. We've got about 2 hours until we need the tech. We're gonna drive the car around a little bit, see if we solved all the problems with the power steering. Looks like it though. Down more. Orlando Speed World is a track that everybody knows. It's kind of bumpy coming off the bank. You initiate on the bank and you drop into the infield, and it's kind of difficult to set up the car for that transition, which is a great challenge over here.
Doesn't certainly the exhaust.
Oh, you should have made that tray.
You gotta cut the tray.
Cut the flame bar.
This is based on last year. Last year we did have some data come in from Kevin. So
out here for the first time to do some practice. I'm here with DJ Spotter, the man flying in from indirectly flying in from Las Vegas. Eric is going to be managing the pit. I'm going to be in the spotter zone with DJ because I want to see how the car works and stuff. And you guys are coming with me, of course. This is fun. Show me what you got.
Hey, we gotta figure out a separate line.
Couple stressful moments there. I couldn't film anything. Basically, we've been running pretty good all day. It's time to qualify, and the starter button doesn't disengage, so the starter keeps hanging up. We run a PDM in the car. As everybody knows, I'm not a huge fan of PDMs because there's nothing you can do with them if they don't work. Everybody always says they don't fail. This is a brand new PDM and it failed. The starter button didn't disengage at all anymore. When we swapped another PDM in, it immediately worked as it should, so that's a little bit of a problem. That's sadly, yeah, that's why I'm always against these fucking things. So we made it into the show. The first score that Richard ever did in Formula Drift was a 69. So that's nice. Really happy, really proud of this team. Great guys. Really good job getting everything done in time. A couple problems we had just before we had to qualify, but those are lessons learned and problem solved. So really happy. We're reaching another step in our journey now, qualifying for the first time. If you put a score on the board, you're in, so you don't do 2 runs. Really happy. Really tired, but happy.
Affects us all differently, and the pressure is really going to be on tomorrow.
Don't forget to take a look at our website as well, einzel.nl. We ship worldwide, of course, Wisefab, Feal Suspension, our own brand Einzel, gearboxes, quick change differentials, axles, all kinds of things. A lot of fabrication components, of course, air jacks, subframes for quick change, you name it. Drop us an email and we'll hook you up.